Macy's haul for you guys. I went shopping online. I've not been in the store. Get an email, Macy's having a sale. It's a Saturday morning or Sunday morning, whenever it was. And I was just like, just let me kind of pick through a little bit. And some things caught my eye. So I have some things to share with you. They're all tops. So let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a shopping haul. I'm really excited about all the items that I picked out. So I'm excited to share them with you. Let's get started with this. Okay, I'm not gonna give you a preview. I'm just gonna try them on. Love, love, love this top. Love it. This one, normally a V-neck like this keeps sliding back. This top, this blouse does not do that. This is by CAMUTO. It is called the split neck Ruffle Cup top. So you can see it's got the ruffles here. The sleeves are a little more sheer. The V-neck here is more like a satin. So that's it's different than the actual blouse, and around the neck, it's more satin. It is lined, and it only comes in ivory from what I could find at Macy's or anywhere. But I absolutely love this blouse. You can dress it up, you could dress it down. Of course, I have jeans on, and of course, I have my heels on. You don't expect anything different, do you? Okay, so let me show you the back. Love this blouse. This is a keeper. Okay, I'm going to show you the length, and I'm going to give you the price. I am wearing a size small. Regular price is $89. Okay, when I saw the price, I was just like, oh. But then when you think about it, the items that I get in my boxes, they're expensive. I mean, they're priced high, but Macy's was having a sale. So I was able to get it for $62.30. And as of the taping of this video, which what is today? Today, oh, I don't have my watch on. I think today is Tuesday, October 19th, I think. I'm pretty sure, losing track of time. But this is a really nice length. I'm keeping this. I would even pay full price for this top. This is how much I really like it. So this is the first item. The sleeves are fun. What do you guys think? All right, let's see what I got next. Next top, this is so cute. Look at this, you guys. I love this. Okay, as you can tell, it's a little more form-fitting. I am wearing a size medium. I love the detail in the sleeves. Look at that. They're kind of creased, puffy, kind of crease sleeve. And it has the wider band around the arm, which I like. I like how long they are also. Have that. The V-neck is trimmed out a little bit. And the hem, there's a nice thick hem on the bottom. I love this top. Okay, at first I thought, oh, it's too big, but it's not. I'm afraid it might shrink a little bit. So I'm okay with this size. I almost thought about exchanging it for a small. This is by DKNY. It comes in either gray, this dark gray or a black, and it's regular $69. I paid, but hold on, it gets better. I paid on sale $48.30. I still have the tags on. The tags are in the back. It is on sale right now at Macy's for $33.99. $33.99, look at that. The quality feels amazing. It really feels nice. I love this. I mean, $33.99, ladies. Love it. It's soft too. It feels so good. It's not too thick, and it's not, it's not real thin. So this is a keeper. All right, do you guys want to see what else I got? Okay, hang on. This is pretty cute, isn't it? This is different. I love, love, love this top. I am wearing a size medium. I did put a black bra on underneath it so you could see. You will be able to see through it, so you might want to wear a strapless bra. This is so darn cute. I love this top. It is the regular material underneath. the arm. So if you're, you know, at dinner or whatever you're doing, it's not going to catch on the lace. Look at that. Oh, you guys, I love this. Love, love, love this. This is the length. Okay, it is stretchy, but there isn't a lot. It looks like there might be a lot of give, but there isn't. There really isn't. Love, love this. Okay, this is by Free People. It only comes in white or black, and it's regular $78. My sale price was $54.60. Unfortunately, it's not on sale right now. Okay, so I am wearing a size medium, and I was a little nervous about a medium. So I thought, okay, well, let me get the white in a large. So, okay, I have the white on. It's actually ivory, and this is a large, but it feels bigger here, but actually, I think it's actually fits better. I mean, I don't know, it kind of pokes here. It just doesn't lay as well, and it's pretty thin, so I don't know. What do you think? I mean, I love it, but it's too thin. So you see why, I don't know, a large would, you know, you just gotta kind of play with it to see which size would work best for you. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, did you guys see my Transcend, the last one that I received? If not, I'll put it up here, but I received some clothes that were too big for me. And one of the items was a black cardigan, the shorter ones, and it was by Sanctuary, and it's called the Cozy Cardi from Transcend Ivory, and it was $99. So ever since that, I was kind of like on the hunt for one. Well, wait till you see this one. Let me tell you the price first. It's regular $69.50. I paid $31.49. It is on sale, cheaper, and I still have the tags on it for $26.99. At Macy's, this cardigan is on sale for $26.99. It is by Charter Club, and it comes in black, white, pink, or blue. It has the pockets on the side. They are slanted, and they have like a, what do you call it? Like a hem on the side, a different type of ribbing, I guess. It is a little shorter, which is what I was looking for. It has the buttons up the side, and they are what do you call them, tortoise shell buttons. And this one has a hood, okay? I wasn't looking for one with a hood, but this one has a hood. So it has the drawstrings here. So if you're out in the wind or something and trying to carry things in the house or run from store to store, there you go, you're covered. Okay, let me show it to you. I was so excited when I saw this. I have a couple items that I need to call Macy's and say, hey, I still have the tags on these. Can you give me a credit over the phone, or do I need to go to the store? I don't have a problem going to the store. Kind of gives me an excuse to kind of look around a little more, even though I shopped online. Okay, here it is buttoned up. There is one more button up here. So if you did want to wear it buttoned up, this is really cute, and it is substantial. It's not real thick and it's not thin, but look at this. Look how cute this is. I mean, I love it because of the price. The price is really nice. All right, let's see. I have one more item. Love this color. All right, now I have just a simple pullover top. This is by Cotton On, never heard of them. It's just called a pullover. It was $29.99. Sale price $20.99. It's a nice simple top that comes in pink, black, gray, or ivory. I am wearing a size small. Here's a close-up. It's almost like a thermal, but it's like a sweater. It's more of a sweater than a thermal, but it kind of looks thermal. It's not real thick and it's not thin. And it's just, you know, it's a little oversized right here. Did I tell you I'm wearing a size small? So got some room here for some more potato chips at night. when I'm sitting watching TV with my hubby. It's just a nice pullover top to wear. It does have the drop sleeve, but it doesn't feel weird. I think my last video, I tried some, I don't even know if you saw that one yet. It just had a really weird feeling with the drop sleeve. So I'm not sure if you saw, I can't remember which box it came from, but I recorded a couple other boxes, but I want to get my Macy's haul out to you before the things are gone or not on sale anymore. But it's got a nice length in the sleeve. I'm 5'4", I have average arms, so not long, they're not short. I don't know, I kind of like this for $20.99. I mean, you just put it on, stay warm. It does look like it has a little extra like material, but for $21, I mean, it's nice just put on and you're gonna be in the house and just stay warm. The neckline isn't too much, you know, it's not real tight, so that doesn't bother me. So this would serve its purpose, and it's a pretty color. I love the pink. All right, what do you guys think of my haul? Let me get my items. All right, so the DKNY, this gray top, I'm gonna keep it. I really like it, it's different. Of course, my CAMUTO white ivory blouse is a keeper. All right, these two free people, these are gonna go back. Yeah, I love the lace on the sleeves, but the material just feels kind of, they're just too thin. I think that's part of it, and a little too tight for me for right now. So unfortunately, as much as I love these are going back. And then, yeah, I'm keeping this. Yeah, with the hood and all, the pockets, can't beat the price. So this is mine, this little black cardigan. And that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Everyone, enjoy your morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.